Number 1. Paint. If your kitchen cabinets are in decent shape but simply look boring or a little outdated, painting your cabinets can be just the ticket. Mix up the colors. Maybe on your upper cabinets go with one color and on your base cabinets another color. While there are so many paint types and brand options, I would recommend trying out chalk paint. It's very user-friendly and it's very durable. Number 2, install Rollout shelving. Custom kitchen cabinets have lots of built-in features and bells and whistles to add functionality, but there's no reason that you can't have the same perks on a budget and inside your existing cabinetry. Rollout shelves for your bottom cabinets are a must. For example, check out this 2-tiered wood cookware organizer from Rev-A-Shelf. It's available at woodworkerexpress.com and it is easy to install with just a screwdriver or a drill. They feature sturdy dovetail construction, stylish chrome accents, wooden pegs, lid and pot pan organizers, and full extension with over travel Movento slides. And the beautiful wood finish complements any kitchen and cabinet. Number 3, swap out boring hardware. A fresh take on knobs and pulls is one of the quickest fixes for your kitchen cabinets. You can really change the entire look of your kitchen with so many different options, styles, and colors and sizes. Browse our endless selection at woodworkerexpress.com. I also put all of the links in the description of the products that I am showing you throughout this video, so be sure to check them out. Number 4, add under cabinet lighting. Installing lighting on cabinets isn't just a practical improvement. It can make the entire room glow, especially if you take a multi-directional approach. This kitchen features Tresco lighting from energy-efficient LED lighting under and on top of the cabinets. Tresco's dimmable task lighting for your kitchen has such a nice feel and lets you make it as bright as necessary for doing prep work, but also lets you dial it down for a nice, romantic mood-setting evening. Woodworker Express has a very helpful, easy configurator directly on our website. Also, if you need a little more help, our customer service team is just a phone call away. Number 5, spice up your doors. The backside of your kitchen cabinet door is a space with great potential that's often wasted. A spice rack is an ideal way to put it to use. It frees up the inside of the cabinet and keeps all of your spices nice and organized. Take a look at this door mount spice rack by Rev-A-Shelf. It is available in multiple sizes to fit each one of your cabinet doors. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified when a new video comes out.